What do you know about copywriting? Do you know you can earn $10,000 month by copywriting? Today, I'm going to show you how to make money online with copywriting using AI as a complete beginner before 2025. Now, you've probably heard everyone talking about AI and ChatGPT, but what if I told you that there's a way to use it effectively to build a successful online income without spending a single dollar? I'll guide you through using the right tools, platforms, and techniques to stand out in the world of copywriting. So, if you're ready to start earning online, hit that like button and let's start. Making money online with copywriting has become increasingly accessible, especially with the advent of AI tools. Many are discussing AI's impact and how platforms like ChatGPT can support various writing tasks, but they don't often explain how to use AI in a way that genuinely adds value to clients without causing issues like plagiarism. In this guide, we'll explore how to use AI for copywriting the right way, including some free tools and useful platforms for earning online, even as a complete beginner. One common mistake beginners make is simply copying and pasting AI-generated text directly into assignments for clients. This approach often results in content that lacks originality and may even contain plagiarism, which can lead to credibility issues. Instead, it's essential to use AI responsibly to ensure your content is unique and provides genuine value to clients. 1. Choosing the right platforms to get paid as a copywriter. First, you'll need to find reliable platforms where you can offer copywriting services. There are several websites where beginners can sign up, no matter where they are located, to start earning from their writing skills. Here are some highly recommended ones. iWriter. This is an accessible platform for new copywriters. At iWriter, if your application is approved, you can start taking on jobs and earning money by writing for clients. Listverse. This is a popular platform where writers submit top 10 inches style lists. Latium. If you're looking for a platform with less competition, Latium.org is an excellent choice. Here, you can sell writing services, including copywriting, translation, and digital marketing. PeoplePerHour offers various writing categories such as creative writing, content writing, copywriting, and business writing. This platform allows you to list services at set rates and provides visibility to potential clients. 2. Avoiding plagiarism in AI-based copywriting. While AI-generated content can be of high quality, using it directly can sometimes lead to unintentional plagiarism. This is because AI tools often source data from existing online content, which may lead to sections of your text resembling published works. Clients value unique content, and in many cases, expect exclusivity to avoid duplicate content issues. Therefore, using a plagiarism checker is essential. Here's a step-by-step process for producing plagiarism-free, AI-generated content. Draft an article using ChatGPT. Start by asking ChatGPT to draft an article on a given topic. For instance, you could request an article about the impact of AI on the global economy. Check for plagiarism. After ChatGPT has generated the article, the next step is to run it through a plagiarism checker. Tools like Grammarly, which includes a plagiarism detection feature, allow you to paste the text and scan it against a vast database of sources. Rephrase with Quillbot. If the plagiarism check reveals copied sections, you can use Quillbot, quillbot.com, to paraphrase these parts. Copy small portions of the article and paste them into Quillbot's text editor. Using both ChatGPT and Quillbot in this way lets you maintain the structure and quality of AI-generated content while ensuring it's unique and tailored for clients' needs. 3. Getting started with AI-optimized copywriting on multiple platforms. To maximize your chances of earning as a copywriter, it's a good idea to list your services on multiple platforms. Let's revisit some of the ones mentioned earlier and see how you can use AI to enhance the quality of your offerings on each. PeoplePerHour. Here, you can sell specific writing packages like 600 words of SEO-optimized blog content. While ChatGPT helps generate ideas and content quickly, Latium. Due to the high demand and low competition on Latium, you can cater to a global clientele with a range of copywriting and content writing services. You can use ChatGPT for initial drafts and then refine the content to meet unique client requirements. Listverse. Since Listverse requires well-researched top 10 articles, use ChatGPT to help brainstorm topics and content for each item in the list. iWriter. On iWriter, you may get various types of copywriting assignments. ChatGPT can speed up the initial writing process, especially for standard topics, while Quillbot can make the output unique. 4. creating an effective workflow with AI for high-quality copywriting. While the process of using multiple tools might seem tedious, it becomes efficient once you establish a routine. Here's a suggested workflow for producing high-quality copywriting quickly and efficiently using AI. Outline and generate content. Start with ChatGPT to create a structured outline for your article. If your client provides guidelines, make sure to incorporate them into your ChatGPT prompt. Initial draft. Use ChatGPT to draft content based on your outline. If it's a long article, consider generating it in sections. Check for quality and relevance. Read through the draft to ensure it covers all required points and meets the client's specifications. Plagiarism. Check. Run the text through a plagiarism checker like Grammarly or Copyscape to ensure it's original. Paraphrase if necessary. For any flagged sections, use Quillbot to rephrase and achieve uniqueness. Final edit. Polish the content to ensure clarity, coherence, and a consistent tone. You can also use tools like Hemingway to enhance readability. By following this process, you'll produce high-quality original content that's client-ready. Plus, using AI tools to streamline your workflow will allow you to handle more assignments and, in turn, increase your earnings. Wrapping up, leveraging AI responsibly to maximize earnings in copywriting AI has made it easier than ever to get started with copywriting and earn money online, even for those new to freelancing. However, using AI tools responsibly, by ensuring the uniqueness and quality of your work, can help you stand out and keep clients coming back. By listing your services across platforms like iWriter, Listverse, Latium, and PeoplePerHour, you'll increase your visibility and earning potential. Remember that while AI can boost your productivity, it's essential to add value by making sure every piece you deliver is original, well-written, and tailored to the client's needs. With consistent effort, a well-organized workflow, and a careful approach to AI usage, you'll be well on your way to building a successful online copywriting business. I hope this video has given you everything you need to kickstart your copywriting journey and start making money online. Remember, it's all about working smart with the tools available, and I've shown you all the tips to get started the right way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content on making money online, and check out my website, www.judyformarketing.com, for more detailed resources and tutorials to take your online business to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.